Web3 is transforming industries, and there are people driving this change. Today's story is about Andy Ting, who transitioned from the trading floors to building the backbone of Web3 as the founder of HeLa Labs.
From a young age, I was always interested in coding. When I was 14, there was a national coding competition. However, to take part, we need a coding club in the school, and then our school didn't have a coding club. And then we bought our own books, and then we learned coding by ourselves. After around 2 months, we actually managed to get top 7 in Singapore. I started working as a trader in a high-frequency trading firm. So I worked there for a few years, and I left and set up my own trading firm. I started to hire traders. Some of the traders, they trade really well. And then I was thinking how to improve their performance and also help them to multiply their profits. I felt that AI was a way to help them, because if they were to train the AI models, AI can help them to trade more markets and also help them to take over some of their trading workload. However, it's not easy because the traders who are the domain expert, they are generally unwilling to train the AI. They are worried that they lose their proprietary information, and then they may not be able to secure the ownership of those models. When I speak to my friends from other industry, I realized that they face the same problem, trying to get domain experts to train models, to train AIs. I was always trying to solve this problem for like more than 10 years. When I saw blockchain and what it can do, I realized that it could be a way for us to solve this problem. I went to study, blockchain technology and how we could integrate it with AI to solve this problem. And I realized that actually blockchain has a solution for this. When we put blockchain together with AI, we can create this trustless environment so the domain experts can train the model, and blockchain can help this expert to secure the ownership of the model. And then at the same time, we can encrypt the model. These models, they can be truly belong to the creators and the domain expert. I started working on this. In my free time, I often go for running, and then I like running because running gives me a lot of free time to think. In fact, the idea for HeLa actually came to me in one of my runs.
Yeah, I still remember how it happened. On that day, Ting will say, "Hey, Ting, let's come. I have something to tell you." I said, "But you sit down first. You sit down first." So I sat down, and he said, "I tell you what, we are building a layer 1." I was like, "What?" Building a layer 1 is a huge, that take a lot of resources, take a lot of time, and then there's very, very ambitious task to do it. But in my heart, I know this is what is going to change the world, and this is always to tell me that he has a vision to try to make something different. So I said, yeah, let's do it.
After 2 years of development, HeLa is now live on mainnet, marking a significant milestone for the team.
Our journey has just begun, and there's so much more to do. Every day we are building the future that we imagine.
Go on chain. Live unchained.